Hello everyone and welcome to the second edition of Live, Work, Play the TechM Way. This is your host Gokul and I am here at the picturesque amphitheater in the Tech Mahindra Learning World. This platform brings you a series of thought-provoking and engaging conversations with our leaders where they share stories of themselves, their teams, their leaders and their thoughts on the core values of Tech Mahindra and the RISE tenants. We also get a glimpse of them beyond work too. Today's guest is a senior executive with over 20 years of experience ranging from telecom equipment manufacturing, software development, quality management, and client partnership. She joined Tech Mahindra as a quality consultant and quickly rose to a senior role. She was then tapped for the role of client partner for AT&T sourcing and procurement relationship. She was also the sales and business operations leader for the communications division and the delivery head for IMEA region. In her current role, she leads a team of pre-sales professionals who support sales teams in new business development globally. She is also the client partner for AT&T sourcing and procurement relationship, which is one of Tech Mahindra's largest clients. It's my honor to welcome Dhanashree Bhatt, Global Head Pre-Sales Middle Office, to Tech Mahindra's Live, Work, Play the TechM Way. Welcome, Dhanashree. It's a delight having you here with us.
Thank you.
First off, congratulations on being named Women Leader of the Year.
Thank you very much.
Tell us about your journey at Tech Mahindra towards achieving this.
Oh wow, that's a very easy but a very difficult question. I just feel I'm still new at Tech Mahindra because I learn something new every day. It's been an extremely enriching journey for me. I started way back in 2002. I've completed 14 years at Tech Mahindra, and I think I've been one of the few privileged who's done so many things in Tech Mahindra. That's the beauty of Tech Mahindra as a whole for every associate actually. So I've started my career as a quality consultant. From there I moved on site. I was heading the sourcing and procurement relationship for AT&T. I moved back offshore. I took over the global SBO, sales business operations role. Then, when I started wanting to do something else, the company gave me an opportunity to actually become the delivery head for a region like India, Middle East and Africa. Can you imagine Middle East, Africa region having a women delivery leader? But only Tech Mahindra can experiment doing something like that. So did that. And then when CP wanted to do something different in terms of transforming Tech Mahindra, he said, why not have a woman leader do the middle office? And that's where I am. So it's been exciting. I've been learning every time something new or the other.
That was amazing, Dhanashree. And one of the things we constantly hear about you is your customer-focused skills, which is also one of Tech Mahindra's core values, and it's an integral part of our culture also. Yeah. Tell us about how you built this skill, what the core values mean to you, and what are the challenges that you face in adhering to the core values of Tech Mahindra.
So I'll tell you this, okay? One of our leaders, Sanjay Kalra, and I remember him when anyone asks us about customer, about our relationships with the customer and how we are more of a customer. Once he told me that, the day everyone internal to Tech Mahindra says to you, you act as if you're the customer and you are representing the customer, not that you are representing Tech Mahindra. So as you can see, it comes from our leadership. Our leadership exhibits in everything that they do that there's so much customer focused. It doesn't mean that you are doing injustice internally, but it just means that you are being a great partner with your customer. So I guess it comes from the leadership to me.
You must have been asked this question quite often, but this is my genuine curiosity asking you. Being a woman leader, what are the challenges that you faced in rising up the so-called corporate ladder? And how has Tech Mahindra helped you in your journey so far?
So let me tell you this, okay? I have been extremely lucky. I wouldn't say I have done anything different or anything which is out of the world or something like that. I just have been pure play lucky in terms of having a fantastic family that supports a lady, who travels extensively, who's able to work long hours as a man would. So extremely good support system at home. Extremely good leadership support every time I have wanted to do something different. So I just feel I'm extremely lucky. So I've done nothing extraordinary. It's just that I've got the complete environment so well made up for me that it just worked out for me. So really, it's more of that. From a Tech Mahindra perspective, I think every lady in Tech Mahindra should be blessed, because this is really a place where I am confident. Everyone's aspirations are taken care of. There's never been a time when someone said that, oh, she's a lady, will she be able to do customer visits? Will she be able to do a presentation to the board? Will she be able to do something? It's just always kept open for everyone. So I know, me personally have been blessed, but I think everyone in Tech Mahindra shouldn't, no lady in Tech Mahindra should fear that, you know, she will have to, how will she climb the corporate ladder? I think it's really as open to a woman as it is to a man here.
Thank you so much for taking time off to spend a few minutes with us. It was a delight having you here with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
That was Dhanashree Bhatt, Global Head Pre-Sales Middle Office. Catch you at the next edition of Live, Work, Play the Tech M Way. This is Gokul signing off for now. Have a great day.